Hi children, now let us discuss something different which is not in our text. Okay, and the first question is the perpendicular distances between the pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram or ABCD or 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and one of its angle measures 60 degree. Use a ruler and a pair of compasses to construct the parallelogram ABCD. Have they given any measurement for the parallelogram? They have given the angle measure alone for parallelogram. What other things they have given? The perpendicular distance they have given. They have not given the measure of the sides. See here they have given the perpendicular distance between these two parallel lines. See, PQ is a parallel line, NS is a parallel line. This perpendicular distance they have given as 5 centimeter. Another perpendicular distance is, see this parallel line. You can have this perpendicular distance from here to here also. This CN is also perpendicular, isn't it? But they have fixed one vertex A. From that they have dropped two perpendicular lines, AN and AM. AN is 5 centimeter and AM is 7 centimeter. How to construct this? This is a rough diagram, my dear children, and this video is completely which is not in the text. So it's a feast for you to think and think a lot. Okay, think and draw. I will not ask everyone to do it compulsorily. If you wish, take it as a challenge and construct these diagrams so that you will have a feel of maths. You will enjoy doing it, something which many are not doing. Okay, so you have to construct first any line. Okay, and mark a point A on it. A line PQ. First thing you have to draw is draw a line PQ, mark a point A on it. At a point A, draw angle 60 degree using your protractor and mark AF, the ray AF. Then at the same point A, construct 90 degree. You should construct it using your compass with 4 steps, 1 arc, 2, 3, 4 arcs. We used to draw 4 arcs to construct 90 degree now. Likewise, draw one arc and draw this line. So draw this ray AE. In this ray, use your compass with A center and radius 5 centimeter. Draw an arc and get the point N. Is it clear? And if you draw a parallel line passing through N, how to draw parallel line passing through N? You can make use of the set square or refer your class 7 books how to draw parallel lines. I have already taught you. Okay, draw parallel lines even in 6th standard book. I'm sorry, it is not in 7, it is in 6th standard book. You have to refer it and draw the parallel line passing through N. Okay, use your set square and draw it, and it will meet this ray at D. Okay, and similarly construct this 90 degree for the ray AF. Okay, and complete this parallelogram. With this alone, from A you will draw 7 centimeter arc here to get the point M. Is it clear, my dear children? From AF, this is 90 degree. See, FAM is 90 degree. Hope you understood. Try to construct it and enjoy drawing it. Okay, the next question is, construct a square ABCD whose area is 100 centimeter square. They have given the measure of area. What is the formula for area? Yes, it is A square. A squared is 100. So what is the side A? It is 10 centimeter. So you will not have any difficulty in drawing a square measuring each side 10 centimeter. Just now we did that. And with that we are not going to stop. We are going to take CD as the base, construct a parallelogram. I have to extend this square with a parallelogram CDEF such that the perimeter of, see, very big name. So how many sides will it have? 1, AB1, 2, see, just in cycle you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. Does it have 7 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So I have included the CD also, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 alone. See, they have completed with DA, no? So 6 sides alone. If there is no A here, no, you will start with DA again by naming it. So that's the mistake I done. So it has only 6 sides. So we know these measures are 10 centimeter, 10, 10, 10. And here what will be the measurement of EF? It is a parallelogram. CD is 10. So EF will also be 10. Totally 50 is over. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is over out of 80. So what is remaining? Actually, I should not consider measure of this CD because it does not comes under the shape this 10, 20, 30 and 40 alone. So remaining is 40 is there. In that 40, what will the measure of CF and DE? This 20 and this 20. So you will have a rough diagram of this type. 10, 10, 20, 10, 20, 10. You will construct the square first using your compass and scale. Then you will construct this parallelogram with this as base. So have fun and enjoy these drawing. Okay, children. Next question is, construct a rectangle ABCD such that AB is equal to 5 cm and AD is equal to 3 cm. Construct another rectangle PQRC such that Q is the midpoint of AC. Q is the midpoint of AC. Then I have to have a rectangle. It's very simple. We already know that these two diagonals bisect each other, but they will not be perpendicular. But we need a perpendicular angle here, isn't it? So your diagram will look like this. First you will construct a rectangle. It's very simple, to 3 and 5 cm. And for this diagonal, draw a perpendicular bisector. At that point, mark a point, midpoint of DC and midpoint of CB. And join PQRC. Okay. Okay, children, let's have few more questions now. If we construct a rectangle ABCD in which the diagonal AC fully is 6.3 and the angle between the two diagonal is 50 degree, then the length of OD. Any idea about rectangles diagonals? Yes, the diagonal measurement for the rectangle are equal. Two diagonals will measure equal. If AC is 6.3, what about BD? BD is also 6.3. But is it true for all parallelograms? No, children. If it is, of course, this rectangle is a parallelogram, I agree. But it's a special kind of parallelogram where opposite sides are equal and the angle between the sides is 90 degree. In such case alone, we will say that our diagonals are of equal measure. So here BD is 6.3. But they are asking us to find OD. And again, another property of this rectangle is both the diagonals bisect each other. See, this diagonal AC and BD cut each other into equal halves. That's what it means by bisecting. So OD is half of 6.3. So you divide it by 2 and get the answer. Okay, children. The next question is, to construct a parallelogram, if one of the base is 105, then the other base angle will be. Construct a parallelogram. If one of the base angle is, actually in a parallelogram, we have seen a property, the sum of adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180 degree. They have given us one of the angle is 105. So the remaining angle will be easily 75 degree. Not much difficulty in this question. Only thing is you should know to recall the properties of all the shapes. Next, a quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. Just now I said diagonals are equal in square and rectangle alone. Okay, is there square option here? No. Then rectangle is there. Trapezoid, rhombus, parallelogram will not have the diagonals to be equal. Rhombus and parallelogram are parallel. Just to draw and see, you can feel that the diagonals are not of equal measure. Only in square and rectangle, the diagonals will be equal. Diagonals measurement will be equal. In rhombus, parallel and kite, they will perpendicular bisector. The diagonals are perpendicular bisector. They will be perpendicular and they will cut it into equal halves. Even in square, it is a perpendicular bisector. But in rectangle and parallelogram, they will bisect alone, they will not perpendicular. Okay, parallel and rectangle. So be clear with those properties, children. Next question is, if we construct a rectangle AB, just now we saw this construction. So that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, the same measurement we constructed. And another rectangle PQRS such that midpoint of AC. What is the conclusion there? I shown you. Yes, it is half of AC. So AC by 2 is the right answer. The next question is, wait, let me show you that AC by 2 is PR. Okay. And another rectangle PR such that Q is the midpoint of AC. Then find PR. They are asking us the full length. So it will be half of AC. How it is half of AC? See here, in this rectangle, we will have two diagonals, PR and QC. In all the rectangles, both the diagonals will be of equal size only, no? If we know the measurement of QC, we can know the measurement of PR. Do we know the measure of QC? Yes, we know AC by 2. Half full AC by 2. That's why PR will also be AC by 2 and not AC by 3 or AC by 4. I hope it is clear. The next question is, in the given figure, it is not possible to construct triangle PLN. Observe this carefully, children. We will not be able to construct triangle PLN first. It is possible to construct this quadrilateral. The condition is that triangle PLN cannot be constructed first. And then locate the point A. Why? Because length of PL is not given. Angles are not given. Only angles are needed. It is an isosceles triangle. See, to draw this triangle, we know LN, we know NP. Only if I know LP, we will be able to draw it. It is not available. So that's the clear answer. Question may look tedious, but if you analyze, it will be very simple, children. So don't be careless or don't feel tough to face maths question paper. It is going to be very simple, and try to read the question more than twice, understand it, feel happy to do maths. Okay. So the next question is, in the given figure, total number of quadrilaterals. Come on, count, children. Shall we count? I forgot about this pen. See, this is one quadrilateral, and then fully one quadrilateral, 2, then here 3, then 4, then this half alone, this DG, this alone, 5, then this rectangle 6, 7, and totally we will have one rectangle, 8 rectangles. Totally how many? Sorry, 8 quadrilaterals. So we will have 8 quadrilaterals. Is it clear, my dear children? So with this, our portions are over. Prepare well and complete the whole practical geometry exercises and practice more. For any clarification, feel free to call me, and every now and then I will be giving you some works during revision. Try to do it in Google Classroom alone, children. No, WhatsApp will be encouraged. Okay, change your name in Google Classroom and get ready for exam in Google Classroom. Okay, still few has to enroll. Thank you, children. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.